Shit, girl.
How are we gonna say this?
1, 2, 3. What it do, my muchins?
Ready?
Say it with me.
1, 2, 3. What is it? Ready? Come on, Chris. We have to edit.
Okay.
Practice first.
Practice.
Let's just practice. What it do, my muchins? Say it together. 1, 2, 3.
What it do, my moochins?
Good morning.
Yeah, you like that? You like when people just jump in there and just say stuff, huh?
Well, it's not a problem, but that's my thing, son. I don't go around saying, what I do, my moochins.
How is it?
What I do, my moochins.
So guys, let's start with some good news. How about that? We asked you for 1,000 likes on Seher video, and we didn't quite make it.
Wow, wow,
But
wow.
thanks to Tread the Globe and all of your Mamuchin contributions from watching, liking, sharing, and all the stuff for the video, help push this reach, and all your donations, we did it.
Turn down for what?
Copyright strike, totally worth it.
Yes, totally worth it. Now, can you believe that all this happened in a matter of 2 weeks, helping a complete stranger, a life-changing, and fighting for a cause to make this world a better place? Now, it's really awesome how amazing people can be when we get together.
That's right.
Now, how did it all started, and what is the current update?
Well, before we go to that, I just need to let you guys know that this Airbnb is kind of hot, so if my eyes start sweating as we're talking about these things, I'm sorry, it's just the heat, you know, Mercury's in retrograde and all that. Anyway.
Hi, Maria. It's Marianne.
Hi, Marianne. How are you?
Oh, I'm really well. Honestly, we found us a project, and we would really love you guys to be involved. It's something right up your street because it's about environment, it's about people, and it's about real life.
Oh, wow. That sounds like really good.
Basically, we need you.
Okay.
Okay, we're in.
So once we got the call from Tread the Globe, we knew we had to make our way to this beautiful town called Seher and meet with these guys. But we all know how expensive travel changes can be. So we want to give a special shout out to all our patrons and YouTube members who make this and all our videos possible.
Yes, and when we got there, Chris and Marianne took us to meet the amazing Seher, who they call a warrior. And trust me, she has earned the title. Well, I mean, you guys know that already. But if Seher is a warrior, Chris and Marianne are her sword and shield, because they were grinding hours, communicating and connecting Seher to people that can help, from the media to the ministries. They even threw her inside of Trudy and drove her all the way to Dalian and back, just so that she could meet Captain June for her support.
And with all the work that Tread the Globe has done and all the support from you, Mamuchins, not only we achieved our goal, but we also created awareness that the media has covered all over Turkey. Seher got supported by Captain June, and she met with the wife of the president, and she acknowledged her to be one of the 3 total centers in Turkey.
How can you not be blown away by the love and care of people coming together? And I do hope for one day where it's not something that'll blow us away. It's something that's just normal, where
natural.
where we can just, where we are helping and protecting each other. And you know, it just makes, it's getting a little hotter here again. So you know what? Actually, that would have been a good point to put in Nelly's song, but no more copy strikes. You can take over from
please.
here.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for all your donations. And if you still haven't donated and you want to donate, the link will still be in the description.
Oh, that's right, because we're almost at 1,000 donors.
Yeah.
How cool would it be to get 1,000 donors? Because everyone that donates, they're going to get their name on the wall inside the center. That's going to be so awesome.
That's
Just to
gonna be
see
great.
a wall of names or a mantle of everyone that donated.
Yes.
And that just be a good reason just to come down to Turkey, go visit it, and take your children or your grandkids and just show them what you were a part of, and that people are much more beautiful and better than what they might see on the news.
Yeah, and not only that, but also saving the totals, because that's it's all about, right?
Yes.
So if you like the totals and you like this video, make sure to hit the like button.
Yes, because that also helps the videos out as well.
Yeah.
Subscribe to connect more, and as always, remember to live the life you want, love the life you live, and travel.
Mamuchos out!
3, 2, 1.
What it do, my moochins?
it is a good damn morning because there are amazing and beautiful. No, he didn't just do that to me.
I'm sorry.
No, he
I
didn't.
have to do this. I knew he was gonna come up. I said it.
You want to come up here and do it? Huh?
I knew it would happen.
You was waiting for that?
Yes.
Can I start?
Running away.
Oh my gosh. He told you he was going to get it. Did you guys see that?
That's nature in action.
I think we might have to like put a blurred spot on that right
I
there.
know. Nasty. Now, can you believe that all this was done in a matter of 2 weeks, helping a complete stranger, a life-changing thing?
Yeah.